Miss Young Wild and Free, whoa, yeah. Miss Young Wild and Free, where do you be?
What's up, Luvies? It's your girl Jay. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I finally put out something. I know. I'm sorry. But anyway, you guys, according to the title, as you can tell, we are creating a vision board today. And it's really exciting for me. At the same time, I'm kind of a little bit nervous because you guys are going to see what I have planned. You know, I mean, you can laugh. I don't really care for like if it's gonna be funny, kiki, haha. But I really wanted to like physically see what I have in store for myself. Yes, I said that. What I have in store for myself because it's like, I have to believe in it. I have to believe in myself at the end of the day and what the situation is about whatever my life is going. So I don't know if you ever heard of this book. It's called The Secret. I took off the cover because I don't know. I just don't like I don't like to mess up covers and everything. I know I just like to hold it like this. But anyway, this is The Secret, and if you haven't heard of The Secret, it has to do with law of attraction. And okay, so like the principles of law of attraction are three: is emotion, thought, and visualization. So let me just. I'm gonna just like get to the video real quick. I'm gonna explain as I am giving my tutorial, so it'll be like easier for you to follow and understand, because just saying it isn't gonna do much except like if I actually show you guys, which obviously that's why you came here in the first place, actually see how it's made. I'm sorry, y'all. So let's just get into it real quick. Okay, so you guys, this part. Scripting is like a huge part of this. Well, for me, it depends on you. Because this, like I said, I was going to talk about thoughts, emotions, and visualization. So this has to do with thoughts and emotions, but more so emotions. Because when you feel what you want, it's more likely that you're going to push yourself. You're going to ignite something, I believe, that will get you closer to what you are trying to manifest and what you put on your vision board. So this is why I have done excitement, happiness, blessed, and grateful. This is like around like a couple days before my birthday and everything. There's like a bunch of things I've written, soul affirmations, happy and gratitude, do all that and everything. You don't have to be like me. You can do it like this. I would advise that you try and do this first. You don't have to copy what I'm doing, soul affirmation, everything. This is just for me, for my growth and everything. Think about what you want and know how it makes you feel and write it down before trying to create a vision board, because that's the biggest mistake. Because when you just jump right into it, you just start printing and downloading a bunch of nice things like I did the first time I started. I'm never gonna do that again. But yeah. All right, you guys. So the first thing you want to do is figure out what you want to put on your vision board. I really, really want a new puppy. I haven't had a puppy in a minute. So what I'm gonna is like, what breed of puppy do I want? So I want a Chow Chow. So you just like Google or Pinterest. Pinterest is my fave because I don't know, it's just like really cute. Okay, so yeah, talking about food, I'm talking about puppy. So so you see the pictures, clear as day, literally clear as day. It's like the cutest thing. And save to pets. Click here and click download image. Now let's say I'm looking for like black girl luxury. I can't even spell. Lifestyle. Look at that. Like people already searched for that. Okay. So you see all that energy, like all that vibe. See, like, okay. So you see that and everything. All you gotta do is download it. So why this is kind of important, like everything you choose has to be aligned with what you want to do, basically. I feel like that's the main key. And also what's important is the words. Like for instance, look for words like gratitude. So like, it comes up with so many pins on gratitude. But what you're really looking for is literally just like a couple words like, see, I attract abundance and prosperity with ease. All right. So when you find words like that, just download them. It's really key that you do not pick words that are like a lot, because it's something you're going to look at every day. Like, for instance, what I think is a lot is something. Wait, let's go. Yeah, look at this. This is a lot. Something like this, because at the end of the day, you have to remember that you are going to put it in a collage with a bunch of other stuff, and you don't want it to take up your whole board. That doesn't make any sense. All right, so another thing, like materials, like houses and everything has to, you just don't pick just like any house or any car. It has to be something that you actually want. Yeah, after that, all you need to do is go to Canva. I use Canva. If you cannot access Canva, you can also use Microsoft Word to like get your collage together. So when you got all your pictures and everything, like for me, hold on before I show you guys all that. So once you got all your downloads together, you put it all in a folder. Like if you want to be organized and just know where everything's at, you want to get into a folder. When you're done, you go into Canva and you upload them. You can just literally just carry and drop it. It will drop the way you want it to. So everything will like load here. Like I have like a bunch. You guys, quick tip. There's this website. I'm gonna link it down below or like put the name somewhere for you guys to see. It's called remove.bg. It will help you remove the background of any image that you don't want. Right, then you just go over here on the download section. You click there, download. So it's preferable that you put in PDF print, because if you just take it as a picture, it's literally going to print out as one small tiny thing that's not that great. And yeah, I made that mistake like twice, and then I just clocked like, oh, PDF. Definitely the best move. Come out looking like this. See, cute, right? So I just put everything that resonates with me, stickers, and as much as possible, don't be like me. Like, I don't know, I love stickers and everything. It kind of works for me, but it's really, really important that you use things that are realistic and kind of resonate with you. Like, for instance, this natural hair. I want to grow my natural hair even more. I'm on a natural hair journey. Um, Choose words that work with you, like positive, passion, all of that. Everything has to work like with you. Well, get people that resonate with what you're trying to do as well. Like Miriam Musa, I love her. She was one of the first YouTubers I ever started watching and everything, and I kind of just resonated with her on you know doing all that. So yeah. And you can also put yourself in any other pictures. Like I cut out a little piece of myself, like my head, just stuck it on there. Yes. Getting the Lambo. Don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm definitely getting one. So yeah. YouTube has to do like YouTube and everything. You can edit as much as you want for it to be as specific as possible. I keep emphasizing on specific stuff because it's really, really important, you guys. Like, okay, so you guys, I left out 3 out of like 40 something pages for you guys to see how it looks in words in like bigger forms. Okay, doing too much, but but you never know. You can put it in any bag you want. For me, I'm surprised. I'm so sorry if any of you actually end up seeing this, but I had to put it somewhere. So I have like a bunch, but it's not everything we're going to use. I'm only concentrating from 2020, 20, can't speak English. So I'm only concentrating from 2020 August to December 2021. All right. So you want to start here. I don't know if it's everyone that knows how to. So you want to start following the shape. Like you don't have to do this. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I'm just saying because like scissors are actually very, very dangerous, bruh. I almost cut myself. So the next thing, you guys, since we're done, okay, so you guys, since we're done cutting out everything, the next thing you want to do is sort out where and how your vision board is gonna turn out. This is where your book comes in. Like you realize everything you want and whatnot. So this part is like you're gonna categorize it. Like another thing here is that you want to have a center, like the center of what your year is about, what you're trying to do, what your vision, like the end goal for that moment. What's like your biggest priority? It should be the center. All right, you guys. So I had to figure everything out off camera because like there was just a lot that resonated with me, so I had to focus really hard. That's why I said like you have to know what your vision board is about for that year, because it could literally be about anything and everything. So I had to really focus, like what that year will be about and what the remaining half of 2020 or quarter of it, whatever the heck is about. Yeah, you guys, use the tape. He uses it if the blade thing doesn't work for you. It doesn't work for me really. I prefer to use scissors to cut them. All right, so you get this again, and you just basically like do that for everything. Just take it out, like now. Okay, this word success. Take it out. Put that baby here. Make sure it's flat and nice. All right. So basically do that for all your other ones. And I'm just going to skip through all this and everything and just make sure it's ready. So this is all done, you guys. We have our vision board all ready to be hung and looked at for the rest of the year and the next year. It might be switched up, who knows, but this is just literally a start of something. I'm super excited and I'm so thankful for you guys. Take your time to watch this. And anyway, so that's the end of my video. Hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.